Welcome to Regal Classes. This video is for Class 10 Maharashtra board students. Maths 1 Statistics, practice set number 6.3, where the problems are on mode for distribution. Press subscribe so that we can give you intimation for our upcoming videos. Formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 multiplied by H divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2, where L is the lower limit of mode class, f1 frequency of mode class, f0 frequency of the class preceding mode class, f2 frequency of class succeeding mode class. Succeeding means after, f0 preceding means before mode class. H is equal to class width. So practice set number 6.3, see the first problem. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on milk collection center, content of the fat in the milk, measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of the fat content. So we have a table here, percentage fat versus the milk, quantity of milk. Quantity of milk is the frequency. Now mode class is where the frequency is the highest, which is 80. 4 to 5 is the mode class. So you have to just substitute in the formula. L, lower limit of the mode class is 4. Frequency of mode class is 80. Frequency of the class preceding mode class is 70. Frequency of class succeeding mode class is 60. H is equal to class width, which is equal to 1. So substitute in the formula and you have 4 plus 80 minus 70 into 1 divided by 2 into 80 minus 70 minus 60. And you have the value of mode is 4.333. Now second problem, electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. Again same, you are given class distribution, number of families, mode class 60 to 80. So L is 60, F1 is 100, F0 is 70, F2 is 80, class width is 20. Substitute in the equation and you have mode is 72 units of electricity. And that is the answer. Next problem, group frequency distribution, supply of milk to hotels and number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. You have to ensure that it is a continuous class 1, 3, 3, 5. Then only the formula is applicable. So mode class is 9 to 11. L is 9, F1 is 35, F0 is 20, F2 is 18, class width is 2. Substitute and you get the answer. Mode is 9.94 liters of milk. Once you get the data, it's only substitution in the formula. Following frequency distribution gives 200 patients treated in hospital in a week. Find the mode of the ages of the patients. See here 5, 9, 10, 14. It's not continuous. So first you have to convert into continuous class, which is given here in the last row. The formula is applicable only for continuous classes. So mode 50 is 9.5 to 14.5. In the continuous class, 9.5 to 14.5. Substitute L is 9.5, frequency of mode class is 50, frequency of class preceding mode class is 32, frequency of class succeeding mode class is 36, class width is 5. Substitute in the equation and you get mode is 12.31 years. So there are only 4 problems in this particular practice set. If you want, more problems are available in our video for CBSE, which is exercise 14.2. So you can go through that. So when you subscribe, you get all these videos and you can see the videos and solve more problems. There about 6 to 7 problems are given there. You can, for practice, you can use that.